Spanning more than 2,500 deeded acres, the Maki Creek Ranch is a standout opportunity for both hunters and cattle operators. The landscape mixes rolling hills, aspen groves, conifer forests, and open sagebrush meadows, creating a diverse setting. Bordering thousands of acres of Bridger National Forest, set near Big Piney and only 90 miles from Jackson Hole, the ranch feels remote yet remains close to everyday conveniences, mountain recreation, and major air travel. Nearly 3 miles of North Cottonwood Creek wind through the property, bringing water, scenic beauty, and fertile creek bottom. The creek provides outstanding trout fishing, and the surrounding Wyoming and Wind River ranges open the door to limitless hiking and adventure. The ranch delivers top-tier hunting access. Elk, deer, antelope, waterfowl, and sage grouse are frequent visitors across the landscape. With over 100 acres of irrigated hay meadows, the ranch is also well suited for livestock and agricultural production. Its expansive acreage, flowing water, rich wildlife, and seamless connection to public land make Maki Creek Ranch a rare Wyoming property with outstanding potential and year-round adventure. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact Andy Neild or Austin Callison today.